So to my other technicians that are out there that follow this channel at the other Ford dealers, I'm heavily involved in a lot of like interior stuff and a lot of troubleshooting and stuff that other people don't want to get involved in. This is my third 2020 Mustang, 2.3 liter EcoBoost and 1 5 liter, where a restraint event stores in the body control module and the RCM, so the BCM and the RCM. And let me see if I can pull up those codes real quick. Here's where the connector is for it. This C2280E, it's the top connector at the BCM. That's typically where the problem is, and I'll explain a little bit more after I show you the code. So these are the two codes that pop up in the computer. This is a B11D814 and a B11D8140B. You're on demand and you're continuous. Let me see if I have the other one. There's one that pops up in the BCM as well. I cleared codes by accident. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, maybe I could go here. Oh, here it is. B11D812 I had, and B11D814. And then I also had one in the BCM, and it was for this restraints control module diagnostic trouble code. And basically, so if a fault is detected, the BCM stores 11D801, 11D812, and 11D814 in memory. If the BCM DTC B11D801 is stored in the RCM, the airbag warning indicator does not illuminate. If B11, D801, D812, and D814 is set, restraint event notification circuit short to ground or open. RCM or BCM, these can be set in. So what I did here is I get to looking at connections and stuff, and when I went to go pull off this panel and everything right here, I noticed that somebody has been pressing their feet up against this, and they push on this and push and push and push, and when they push on it, they push into these connectors right here, and this top connector sticks out the furthest, and this one up here sticks out the furthest, and with this piece coming up underneath here all the way, it pushes into that latch and it starts working this connector loose. And this is the third 2020 Mustang I've found with this code stored in the computer, or you know, one or two of them. Or so if you get this code, please make sure you check this connector first, just like on the 2010 to 2014 F-150s, where it wouldn't start, and all of a sudden you pull the plastic panel and stuff here on the side and you see this connector kind of pushed out. Same concept, except I'm seeing it on the newer. I don't know if they made this tighter. I don't know if it's just a coincidence that this is happening, but every single one of these that I've had so far, I turn the vehicle off, I disconnect the battery, and I unplug all three of these connectors right here. This one, and this one. And usually these two here are partially pushed out, or this one's partially pushed out, and sometimes they can actually snap these connectors, the tabs, and you'll have to zip tie them back. What I do is I pull the connectors out, I'll check for pin fitment, and then I'll spray a little contact cleaner in there, dry it out with some shop air, and then I'll take some XG12 and put it all back together, snap them all in, and I don't even really have to clear codes. By the time everything's snapped in and I turn it on and it runs its self-check, the codes don't come back on anymore. And I've been noticing a lot of these where people are kicking these panels and they have a lot of feet prints all over these. It ends up loosening these up here. So I just wanted to make you guys aware. This is the third one that I had, and now no more airbag light on, no more code, no more nothing. And it seems to be common with people being, I don't know, just careless when they get in the vehicles, or maybe they get just busy talking and stuff like that and getting relaxed. Maybe the car's idling all the time and they're laying and pushing on the plastic. I don't know the situation, but I noticed a lot of issues with this panel where people like to push up against this, and it messes with these connections at the BCM. Thanks, guys.